Hi, I'm Sandi Gentry with the Sandi Gentry team, Remax Lakeshore. Welcome to 7 Circle Drive. I cannot wait to show you this house. Come and take a look. This custom designed and built home is only 4 years old, and it's quality constructed with 2x6 construction. It has all Anderson windows, 27-foot high ceilings, and walls of windows. This home has 141 feet of prime water frontage with steel seawall. It also has absolutely beautiful wildlife views looking across. It has a boathouse, which is one of the very few on Spring Lake, and is the best seat in the house for the fireworks. For more information on this beautiful home, please contact the Sandi Gentry team at 616-935-1150.